Rohit Sharma, one of India's most cherished cricketers and the backbone of the modern batting order, has officially announced his retirement from Test cricket. Yes, you heard that right. The man who knows for his silken timing, those effortless sixes, and his remarkable double centuries in limited overs has finally drawn the curtain on his red ball career. And this message was simple, heartfelt, and carried the weight of legacy. It's been an absolute honor to represent my country in whites. Now let's take a closer look at what led to this moment. Rohit Sharma's test journey was never an easy road. Despite making his ODI debut way back in 2007, it took him 6 long years to break into the test side. And when he finally did in 2013, he scored back to back centuries in his first two tests. A dream debut in whites. But inconsistency, injuries, and India's fierce middle order competition meant Rohit's test career was a stop start affair for several years. Then came 2019, a turning point, promoted as a test opener in the home series against South Africa. Rohit silenced all critics. He scored twin centuries, including a masterful 212. It felt like a new chapter had begun. A new legacy was being built. But fast forward to 2024 or 2025, and the story took a sharp turn. A dismal tour of Australia this year, especially the recent defeat at the Melbourne Cricket Ground, raised serious questions. In his last 11 test innings, Rohit managed just 73 runs, that's an average of 6.63, his longest inning during this lean patch. Just 40 delivers for 9 runs. It wasn't just fans who noticed. Indian cricket legend Sunil Gavaskar has predicted earlier this year that if Rohit couldn't turn things around, he might step down voluntarily. And that's exactly what happened. True to his character, Rohit didn't wait for selectors or headlines to force the issue. He took the dignified route by making the decision himself. He is known as the hitman for a reason, not just because of his record breaking scores in white ball cricket, but for how he has carried the hopes of millions with calm shoulders, a captain, a leader, and a man who deeply cares for Indian cricket. Interestingly, the retirement comes on the same day that Rohit would not be captaining the Indian team for the England tour. Perhaps the writing was already on the wall and Rohit chose to step away from the longest format on his own terms. So, what does this mean now? Rohit will continue to play ODIs and possibly T20s for India. He is not done with international cricket. Not yet, but in the whites, he said goodbye. His test legacy might not boast the towering numbers of some others, but when you look back, you will remember the flair, the comeback, and the resilience. Rohit Sharma made test cricket look elegant, and that's something fans hold on to. And now, here's the question I leave you with. As India gears up for the next phase in red ball cricket with newer faces and changing leadership, do you think Rohit Sharma's retirement has come at the right time or did Indian cricket let go of him too soon? Share your thoughts on this in the comment section and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal for more such updates.